Best Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. If you're still guessing your portions, struggling with baking measurements, or using a kitchen scale that just doesn't fit your routine, upgrading to the right one can make a real difference. In this video, we're counting down 5 Etekcity kitchen scales that cover everything from simple everyday weighing to smart nutrition tracking, larger 22-pound capacity, waterproof designs, and rechargeable convenience. The key is choosing the one that actually matches how you cook, prep meals, or track your food. Some of these models are better for basic kitchen use, while others give you features that can save time and make daily tracking much easier. So stay with me until number 1, because I'll show you the strengths, limitations, and the real reason each scale may be worth buying. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale, and this is the kind of product that makes sense if you want accurate measurements without paying for features you may never use. If you're baking, meal prepping, counting portions, or following a recipe that needs exact measurements, guessing can ruin the result. This scale helps solve that by weighing up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms in 1 gram increments. One of the most useful features is the tare function. Place your bowl on the scale, press tare, and it removes the container's weight so you're measuring only the food inside. That makes adding ingredients one after another much easier. You also get 5 measurement options, including grams, ounces, pounds and ounces, milliliters, and fluid ounces, so you can follow different recipes without constantly converting measurements. The backlit LCD display uses large numbers, making it easy to check your reading at a glance. And because the weighing surface is made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, cleanup is usually as simple as wiping it down. At only about 7.3 by 5.7 inches, it won't take over your countertop and can easily slide into a cabinet when you're done. It does use 2 AAA batteries instead of rechargeable power, and its minimum measurement is 2 grams, so it's not meant for ultrafine weighing. But if you want a simple, compact, and dependable scale for everyday cooking or portion control, this is an easy one to consider. Check the link below if this sounds like the right fit for your kitchen. Pros. Accurate 1 gram increments up to 11 pounds. Useful tare function with 5 measurement units. Compact stainless steel surface that is easy to clean. Cons. Uses AAA batteries instead of USB charging. Minimum measurement starts at 2 grams. Not designed for very large or ultrafine weighing tasks. Number 4. Etekcity 22 pounds Rechargeable Kitchen Scale. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the Etekcity 22 pounds Rechargeable Kitchen Scale, and this is a better fit if you want more capacity and fewer battery changes than a basic food scale. The first reason to consider this model is its 22-pound, or 10-kilogram capacity. That extra room is useful when you're working with large mixing bowls, bulk meal prep, bigger baking batches, or even heavier items around the house. It measures from 2 grams in 1 gram increments, so it can still handle normal, everyday ingredients with good precision. Another big upgrade is the USB-C rechargeable battery. Instead of keeping spare AAA batteries in a drawer, you can simply recharge the scale with the included cable. The IPX6 waterproof design is also genuinely useful in a kitchen. Spilled water, milk, or other liquids are less of a concern, and the stainless steel surface can be wiped clean quickly. You also get 5 measurement units, plus a tare function for removing the weight of bowls and a hold function that keeps the reading visible when a large item blocks your view of the display. The main limitation is that it starts at 2 grams, so this isn't meant for extremely tiny measurements. But if you want a kitchen scale with higher capacity, rechargeable convenience, and better spill protection, this is easily one of the more practical upgrades on the list. Check the link below if those features match what you need. Pros. High 22-pound capacity for larger bowls and batches. USB-C rechargeable battery saves disposable battery changes. IPX6 waterproof design with tare and hold functions. Cons. Minimum measurement starts at 2 grams. Not suitable for sub-gram precision. Slightly heavier than simpler compact kitchen scales. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Etekcity Smart Nutrition Kitchen Scale. And this one is a much better fit if you want your food scale to do more than just show weight. If you're tracking calories, macros, or trying to stay consistent with a nutrition plan, this scale can make the process a lot easier. It connects to the VE Sync app, where you can monitor up to 19 different nutrients, track your eating trends, and create daily, weekly, or monthly nutrition reports. It also uses the Nutritionix database, which includes information for around 1 million foods. And if your food isn't listed, you can add and customize your own entries. For actual weighing, it handles 3 grams up to 11 pounds, with 1 gram increments. The 4 high-precision sensors help deliver consistent measurements, while the tare function lets you place a bowl on top and measure only the food inside. The 304 food-grade stainless steel platform is durable, easy to wipe clean, and the backlit LCD display is simple to read. You can also sync nutrition information with Apple Health and Fitbit, which is useful if you're already tracking your fitness elsewhere. The downside is that the smart nutrition features depend heavily on the app, and it uses 3 AAA batteries instead of rechargeable power. But if your goal is better portion control and smarter nutrition tracking, this gives you far more value than a basic kitchen scale. Check the link below if that sounds like what you need. Pros. Tracks up to 19 nutrition metrics. Large Nutritionix food database. Apple Health and Fitbit integration. Cons. Smart features depend on the VE Sync app. Uses AAA batteries instead of USB charging. Minimum measurement starts at 3 grams. Etekcity Smart Nutrition Kitchen Scale. Number 2. Etekcity Choice Smart Nutrition Scale. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Etekcity Choice Smart Nutrition Scale, and this is the one to look at if you're serious about portion control but don't want nutrition tracking to feel like extra work. Instead of weighing your food and then searching for nutrition information separately, this scale connects to the VE Sync app and lets you track 19 nutrition metrics, including calories and sugar intake. You can even set personal nutrition goals, which makes it especially useful for meal prep, weight management, or keeping a closer eye on what you eat. A feature that can save a lot of time is barcode scanning. Scan a compatible packaged food, and VE Sync can pull nutrition information from its extensive food database instead of making you enter everything manually. The upgraded design also gives you a larger weighing surface with improved sensors. It supports up to 11 pounds and measures in 1 gram increments, so it works well for everyday cooking, baking, and portioning meals. You can switch between several measurement units, and even remove units you don't use through the app. The tare function also makes it easy to measure ingredients directly inside a bowl. The biggest limitation is that you'll need the VE Sync app to get the real value from its smart features, and it still relies on 3 AAA batteries. But if nutrition tracking is part of your daily routine, this is much more useful than a basic kitchen scale. Check the link below if you want weighing and nutrition tracking in one setup. Pros. Tracks 19 nutrition metrics and personal goals. Barcode scanning makes food logging much faster. Larger weighing area with 1 gram precision. Cons. Best features depend on the VE Sync app. Uses AAA batteries instead of rechargeable power. 11-pound capacity is lower than high-capacity models. Number 1. Etekcity 22 pounds glass kitchen scale. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Etekcity 22 pounds rechargeable kitchen scale, and this is the model I'd look at if you want one scale that can handle both everyday ingredients and much heavier jobs. The biggest selling point is its 22-pound, or 10-kilogram capacity. So instead of being limited to small bowls or lightweight ingredients, you can use it for larger meal prep containers, baking batches, fruits and vegetables, parcels, and other household weighing tasks. It still keeps things precise, measuring from 2 grams in 1 gram increments, which makes it practical for normal cooking and portion control. Another reason this model stands out is the built-in 300 mAh rechargeable battery. It charges through USB-C, so you can skip the constant cycle of buying and replacing disposable batteries. The IPX6 water-resistant design also makes sense in a real kitchen. If you're measuring liquids or dealing with spills, cleanup is much easier. And the tempered glass platform gives it a clean, modern look while providing a smooth surface to wipe down. You also get 5 measurement units, a large LED display, and automatic shutoff for added convenience. The only thing to keep in mind is that it starts at 2 grams, so it's not designed for ultrafine measurements. But if you want high capacity, rechargeable power, easy cleanup, and everyday versatility in one scale, this is the strongest all-around pick in the lineup. Check the link below if you want the most flexible option on this list. Pros. High 22-pound capacity for food and larger items. USB-C rechargeable 300 mAh battery. IPX6 water-resistant tempered glass design. Cons. Minimum measurement starts at 2 grams. Not suitable for sub-gram precision. Tempered glass may need more careful handling than steel.